Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest step by step. Pinterest is a platform where you can discover, save, and organize ideas for topics like recipes, fashion, home decor, travel, and much more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and create one. Once you're signed in, you'll see your home feed. Use the search bar at the top to search for topics, ideas, or images you're interested in. Click on any pin to view it in full size. To save a pin, click the Save button. Next, choose an existing board or create a new one. Your pin will now be saved to your board. If you want to create your own pin, click the Create button. Upload an image or video. Then enter a title and description. Add a destination link if you have one. Choose the board where you want to save the pin, then click Publish. Your pin will now be available on your profile and board. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Pinterest. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.